my name is Peter, and so in this tutorial we'll be continuing from where we left off in the last tutorial. And so in the last tutorial we looked at how to display an image, and so in this tutorial I'd like us to read something on this game window, probably a kind of game menu. So let's jump in and see how we can actually implement that. So let me just close this and go back to my IDE. So there are a couple of variables that I'd like to actually define. For example, I start with a particular variable which I call just font or text font, and the other one will be text, which I'll just call probably menu1, and that's that. And if you look closely here, I have this sensation.ttf, which will actually help me in displaying just a wonderful kind of font. And so I'll just load that file, and to load it is actually quite easy. So I'll just say if not probably font dot load from file, and I need to pass the path of that sensation.ttf. So I'll just click property and then copy this, just say cancel, and go back here and paste it inside those quotes. And if it doesn't load, I'd like it to say return exit failure, and that's that. And the other thing that I need to do is actually use that menu1, and so next place to use it will be actually around here. So I'll just say menu1 dot set font, and I'll pass in the font, and I'll say menu1 dot set character size, and then I'll pass in probably a random 20 as a starting point, and then I'll go and say menu1 dot set string, and the string that I need to be displayed will be probably play against the computer. And the last property that I need to set will be set position, and I will give it a random, probably let's start with 280. So since I need it to be displayed at the center of the screen, and the Y value will be probably, let's say 160 will do, and just end it with a semicolon. Once I have all of that, I can actually want to give it some color, and to do that is actually quite easy. So I'm going to say menu1 dot set fill color, and as a starting point I might actually want, you can actually play along with these values. So let me just say give all of them 255, and let's go ahead and draw that and see whether it will display. So we'll just copy this, paste it there, and change this to menu1 and save it. So I'll go ahead and build it, and I'll go ahead and run as local local C++ application, and voila, we have a nice font here displaying. So let's go ahead and actually do some more. And to do some more is actually quite easy. So just go back and I'll copy this text, paste it a couple of times, change this to 2, change this to 3, change that to 4, and save. Then here I'll copy this and paste it 3 times, and I'll try to format everything, and that's that. You can actually want to change this to play against humor, and probably change this to 190, and I'll actually want to change this to 2. And for this one I can actually want to say something like, I don't know, continue. And probably change this to 220 and change this to 3. I'll also change this to 4. And I might want to change this to probably, let's say, exit. Save that and probably change this to something like 250. And I'll save that. Here I might want to set the color for my text. I'll change this menu 1 to 2, and this 1 to 3, and that to 4. And I might actually want to have a different color for the exit, so I'll just change it to probably a random red color. And that's that. We actually need to draw these menus, and just copy this a couple of times, and the last one I change this to 2, that to 3, and this one to 4, and I think that will be it. So let's go ahead and just close this and build project, and then run as local C++ application, and voila, we have a nice game menu display. So this is what I needed to show you in this tutorial. So catch me in the next tutorial where I'll be discussing something different. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you.